Hey guys, this is your boy Yashvir Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel guys, please like the video, share the video and subscribe. Okay, so in this video guys, today I'm going to show you how we can update our Asrock motherboard. Okay, I do have this which is a micro ATX motherboard. I'm currently using it with Ryzen 9 7950X 3D. Alright, so as you can see, AMD Ryzen 9 7950X 3D. Okay, and I'm currently on BIOS version 1.28. okay, so apparently this is brand new BIOS update for Asrock motherboard. So if I go into support and then to BIOS, and here as you can see I'm on this version 1.28 right here. So apparently there's brand new version which is version 2.0 update to combo AM5 1.1.00. okay, now there's a brand new update which is version 2.02 optimize USB port compatibility if you use kindly update and blah blah blah. So let's grab this. So I click on global download. So now this is gonna download it. All right, so it's a zip file. So all I do is to extract this thing onto my desktop. Okay, it's a ROM file. So I'm gonna extract it onto the desktop. Right now I'm gonna insert what I meant. I'm gonna insert a USB flash drive to the PC. All right, so if I go right there, so I currently have a Windows 10 or Windows 11 installed on this flash drive, so I'm gonna have to format it. But as you see, it creates two partitions for the pen drive. Okay, for the flash drive, USB flash drive, it created two partition, like one is for the setup, Windows setup file, and this one is UEFI underscore NTFS. If I currently format this, you will see this thing. This is write protected. You can't format it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we're gonna fix this. Okay, how do we so right here it has created two partition of our USB flash drive. So I'm going to show you how we're gonna turn this, how we're gonna remove this extra partition. Okay, how we're gonna fix our USB flash drive. So for that, all you do is to just write partition. Okay, partition. All right, so you will see this control panel, create and format hard disk partition. Alright, so now you gotta wait for it and don't mess with your local DC. Alright, because this is where Windows. So as you can see, this one, this two removable, this one is only 15 GB. Okay, so that's my USB flash drive. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna delete volume. Okay, I'm gonna delete volume. Again, delete volume. Alright, so once I've done that, now it has changed into unallocated. Now I gotta do is to right click on it, new simple volume, next, and yeah, give any letter, assign any letter to that, hit next, and make sure that it is on FAT32. So this is the volume label. You can label it as anything. So I'm just gonna label it as Yashvir Gaming, like that, Yashvir. Okay, so that's it. So now I can format that disk. Alright, so I'm gonna quick format is selected. Yes, start. And once again, as you see, format completed. And now if I go to this PC, as you can see, the extra partition that was here before, and now it's gone. Now I have a single partition, okay, of this 16 GB or 15.1 GB, whatever. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drag this ROM file, the BIOS file, on the root of the USB flash drive. Okay, as you can see, .rom, And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click this. I have a shortcut to restart to BIOS, so I'm gonna double click this and it's gonna restart me directly into BIOS. So I'm gonna pause the video and try to record from my smartphone.